Do you think charging your phone to 100% will destroy it? Relax, your battery's smarter than you think. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Despite endless warnings and optimized charging alerts, experts say the old advice about never topping off your phone is mostly an antique from the days of ancient battery tech. Today's smartphones use lithium-ion batteries with built-in safety buffers, so when your phone shows it's 100% charged, actually nowhere near using the battery's full chemical capacity. Chemistry professors at UC San Diego, Ken Griffith said, no phone battery actually removes 100% of the lithium. 100% charge might only mean 60% of the lithium is in use. Stopping at 90% isn't chemically much different. So where did the panic come from? It all dates back to nickel-cadmium battery era, the old-school tech that suffered from the memory effect. If fully charged too often, they would remember a smaller capacity, slowly shrinking how much energy they could hold, whereas the lithium-ion batteries don't have that problem. Still, there is a tiny nugget of truth. Leaving your phone constantly maxed out or exposing it to heat can speed up battery wear over time. Experts say lithium-ion cells perform best between roughly 20% and 80%. Built-in protections like Apple's optimized charging help prevent wear for users who leave their phones plugged in overnight. So charging it to 100% occasionally won't ruin your device. Griffith says it perfectly. I charge it to 100% every night. If I need a new battery in 3 years, so be it. It's worth it for a full day of use. Your phone isn't fragile. Charge it, use it, and stop stressing over every single percent. How long do you charge your phone? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.